කිව්ව අසිතියක් හිටියට වැඩක් නැද නැත්තම් කරන්න සෙල්ලමක් මං ඉල්ලමක් උනත් ඉල්ලන්නේ එක පරයි නැත්තම් දාන්නේ පිල්ලමක් මම පාට කරේ මම තනියෙන් එක උනේ මල් ලස්සන සිත්තමක් දැන් වටින් ගොඩින් කට්ටිය කියන්නේ අද ඔබ මාර චරිතයක් කොම චරිතයක් උනේ නිකන් නෙවෙයි මම ගැලුවා මගේ මහත් මම ඉදිලුනේ හිනා කරන්නේ මහයේ මගේ අත්තට
He picked up the length really well and just put it in the night sky and let the brick.
Another shot by Nance, right up in the air for another. That's into the gap. Well struck from
And he finds the gap on this occasion. It's gone up a long way, will take some catching. Kick will not know. And it should be. Travelling in the air and not going to carry on, no. Oh, you wouldn't believe it. You just wouldn't credit it.
Against Bubble.
Time finds the man in the deep.
Picked up the net straight. Monadiaba at the buzz. It looked like he was in with a chance. Just over it.
Last bit of an innings. Up in the air. And fine.
Driven beautifully through the past 5 overs. 61 runs. And Adam.
Wonderful shot this time so far. This time down the ground. Has he got enough of it? Just off. Is it going to be another scholarship? And it is. Just about. Huge beauty. 18 balls. Need a wicket desperately. And that will just... well, that is really down the ground. Got the minute in back.
Straight as you like.
Doesn't matter what you deliver. It's in that he shows.